Hello guys, my name is Amir Faruk and in this video I will do unboxing and first impression of UiiSii BA-T8s headphones. So without any delay, let's get directly into the unboxing part. At first I will show you the box. As you can see, it is a triple driver headphone. The packaging looks like, but I like the packaging of the dual driver version because it has photos of random person. I don't like that very much. And let me start by cutting the plastic protective layer of the box. Oh, that knife is getting older. Now I am opening the plastic layer. I mean polythene layer. Now this part of the box looks premium and nice to me, but I don't like the outer part of the box. It's my personal opinion. It has UiiSii logo on the box. That is also nice. You will have to open this like a book. This is just a paper with the branding logo, nothing special. And this is just a thank you, just normal paper, nothing special. And this is the main thing for what you clicked on this video. This looks very nice, presented beautifully. Oh, I think the packaging got smashed while shipment. For that reason the earbuds came out. The instruction manual is also printed very well. And this is the protective pouch. It has a nice rubbery texture. I think it will protect headphone from accidental splash, like little bit of water like that. But don't trust this. Don't trust it in rain. And this is the normal quality control paper like that thing. The earbuds, it is also presented well. As you can see, the earbuds are not plain. It has textured things to grip on your ears. And now we'll keep the box aside and show you the main things. And this is the earphones. I'm taking it out now. And nothing on this part. This is the earphones. It comes with the velcro. The velcro has the branding name on it. Oh, they are packed really well. They were packed tightly. For that reason I was having some problem to get this thing out of here. It was really hard. Finally they came out. Yeah. And the same UiiSii logo on the side of corner of that foam like thing. And this is the earphone itself. Man, this looks beautiful. You can see the dynamic drivers, and the armature driver is somewhere near the earbud area. The headphone jack is also L-shaped. For that reason it will last a long time. And the UiiSii branded velcro strap that people will never use. It is the inline remote control with 3 buttons, which is really nice. And it has a microphone. And this is the cable. It comes with a little sticker that I will cut it. and I will tell my personal impressions about this headphone. I have used this headphone for about an hour or so. The sound quality is amazing, nothing to complain about. It is a balanced headphone. The bass is amazing. No complaints in the sound quality section, but the look is also excellent. The remote works well, but I don't like the quality of the cable. It is a $45 headphone. It could be better. These cables doesn't feel quality premium to me, and the inline remote control is also flimsy. I don't think that would last long. They should improve the quality of the wire and the inline controller, that control module. And the main headphones themselves is nice. They look awesome. The gold trim around the vent is also amazing. If your budget is around $45 or 3,500 Bangladeshi taka, you can go for it. I will recommend it to all. These headphones are comfortable. They fit really well, and the earbud that comes with it comes with it will fit any ear, because it has about I guess 6 pairs, so it will fit any type of ear. And my main problem is the cable and the control module. Rest of it is perfect. The unboxing experience was also nice, and nothing to say. I will give 8 out of 10. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full review or extended review of this headphone, smash the like button and let me know in the comment section. Until then, bye bye.